So here is a big news that you all should be aware of. It is that Lego itself went and they actually took a suit against the companies that were selling fake Legos. Now a few years down the road, they sued Mega Bloks, and what happened is that they actually lost the case, and since they lost the case, Mega Bloks was able to sell Mega Bloks, which was kind of a knockoff to Legos. Now one thing that happened is that with China, they used to make, and they went even a step further. So with Mega Bloks, all they did is they created a different company with those Chinese fake imitators. What they actually did is they started building sets that almost identical to Legos. And I'm talking about creating the same identical looking sets, and they look exactly like the real deal. Plus, they had the Star Wars line, they had the superhero line, they had every single line that you can potentially imagine. And some of them look almost identical to the real thing. Of course, when you get a hold of those Legos, you will totally understand that they are not the real thing. They are fake copy and they look terrible. And the quality suffers as well. So since this case, you no longer can buy and sell those Legos in United States. So let me show you how those fake copy Legos actually look like. So here is a fake copy Lego. The set name, the company that makes it is called Bella. They are no longer allowed to take those fake copy Legos and sell them in United States. They used to be able to do so. Now there might be other countries as well that you can do this too. But you can still buy it. But you can't actually go and sell it on eBay. So I want you all to be aware of this, just in case that you're not really supposed to put those Lego compatibles up for sale on eBay. It's very likely that they're gonna report you and you will get in big trouble. And another thing I wanted to show you is how many of those Lego compatible fake copies are available right now on eBay. 1,190 of them right now available for sale. Now the set name is called Bella. That is the company that makes those fake copy Legos. So let's see how many of those exist. So typing in Bella Toys, which is the company that makes the fake copy Legos, we can see how many of those are available for sale. And what you can see here is that almost all the listings with Bella have been pulled off, but once in a while you do see something that is showing up here. So here it is, another one of those fake copy sets. This is sponsored, and this company is actually selling them, and it's doing something it's not really supposed to be doing. It is selling fake copy Legos. So this is big business risk for those companies that are still going against the rules of eBay, which is selling fake copy Legos. Those are not the real deal. Those are not Legos. And above all, you can't actually say that you're selling a Lego. So there is no Lego statement in here, although it is actually a fake copy of the real deal. So one thing I do suggest for you not to do is to get some of those fake copy Chinese sets that look exactly like the real deal and try to resell them, because it is now illegal for you to actually do so in United States, plus other countries as well. I'm not sure which exact countries, but this is a lawsuit and Lego won. So I want you to be aware of this as well. So don't buy those sets, and above all, don't support people who sell those sets.